Well, we're gonna see my Williams engine FP45 here. Gonna pull 32 cars. Yes, 32. Pretty good chunk. So let's give her a little juice and see what happens. It's not bad. It's a slight incline through a bridge. Only goes up about 6 inches, but the engine's not even straining. Famous last words. I guess the couplers are, though. Let's see what popped. I don't know what popped there. Let's pull it back here and hook her back up. First time I ever had that happen. Of course, I happened to be doing a video. Now, see how this comes out. I'll let it go around one more time. And well, guess that'll be all for this. See ya.